Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Ring application. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Ring application on your mobile device. If not, go and tap open your Play Store or your App Store and download the app first. Once you've done with the downloading process, go and tap open the app and launch it open. You'll be able to see this interface. This is the first interface for Ring application. You can easily sign up for a new account by tapping on the Create Account button in blue at the bottom. Enter your first name in the first text box and type in your last name on the next. After you are done, tap on Continue. Select your country that you live in from the drop-down and tap Continue again. Enter an email address for yourself. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have an access to and retype in the email address one more time in the next field. This is to ensure that you are typing in the correct information. Once you're done filling in your detail, tap Continue. Create a password for your Ring account. Type in a password that is easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. When creating your password, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long. It must include uppercase and lowercase letters. It must include at least one number and one symbol. Remember that you should not include your first, last, or your email username in your password. After typing in the password, head over to the next field and confirm your password by retyping it again. Finally, tap on Create Account. Now, make sure to check your email that you just registered with. Go and open up your email app and make sure to check your inbox. You'll be able to receive an email from Ring. Tap it open and tap on Verify Now. Open up with the web browser and your email has been verified. Now you can go back to the app. On the next page, it'll ask you for linking your Amazon and Ring accounts. When you link two accounts, Ring and Amazon will use account information to provide integrated features and services. And now at the bottom, tap on Agree and Continue, or you can skip this step for now by tapping Skip for Now at the bottom. On the next page, you need to set up two-step verification by providing your phone number. In order to do that, tap on Continue. Enter the phone number that you are using or you have an access to. After entering the phone number, tap Continue. And on the next page, you'll need to type in the code that you received on your mobile number. Once you type in the code, tap on Verify at the bottom. Once you are done with the verification, you can now go ahead and set up a Ring device and ask your family members to share devices with you, or you can also join Ring neighbors to take part in your local digital neighborhood watch. Once tapping on Set up a device, go ahead and choose the device you'd like to set up with. Select one of the options. Allow access to your camera. Simply scan the code on your Ring product in order to set up a device. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to set a device right away. Once you're done setting up your device, specify your location by tapping on this location tab at the top. From this page, select your location type and tap Continue at the bottom. Enter your address. Pinpoint your address in the map by dragging it in and tap on Use this address at the bottom. Enter your location name and tap on Save Location. Now you'll be able to see that you've landed in the home page of Ring app. That is how you can easily sign up for Ring application. Now you can easily watch over your property after setting up a device from anywhere with the application installed on your mobile device. How to log into your Ring application using mobile device. Open up your Ring application to get started and from the main interface, tap the login button to log into your account at the bottom. Make sure that you've selected login from the top. Now, enter the email address that you used while signing up for your account in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct as well. After entering your password correct, tap on Login at the bottom. You'll need to go through two-step verification process. Enter the code that you received in your registered mobile number, and once you do that, tap on Verify at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to end up in the main homepage of Ring. How to change password on Ring application. If you want to change the password for your Ring application using a mobile device, then the process is quite simple. Open up Ring app from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in first. From the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left. An expanded menu will pop up. Simply tap on Account Settings and tap on Password option under Account Security. Scroll down to Password again at the bottom and tap on Update. Now, enter the current password for your Ring account in the password text box. Once you are done, tap on Continue. You'll need to go through two-step verification for your account. Enter the verification code that you received on your mobile device via SMS and tap on Verify Code. On the next page, you'll get to create a new password or change to a new password that you prefer. Enter the new password you would want to change to in the first text box. Make sure that you use at least 8 characters in creating your password. You must include uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, and a symbol on your password. Once you create a password that matches the criteria, head over to the next field and retype in the password again. After you are done, tap the Change Password button. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the main interface for your Ring app. You'll need to log in back again with the new password, so tap on the login button at the bottom, enter your email address associated with your Ring account, enter the new password that you just changed to in the password text box and tap on Login at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you are logged into your Ring account, which means you've successfully changed your password. How to change email on Ring application. If you want to change your email address on Ring application, then open up your Ring application first and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left, and from the expanded menu, tap on Account Settings. Soon after you open up Account Settings, tap on your Email tab. On the next page, you'll be able to see your account management page. Tap on the Update button right next to Email. Verify your identity by typing in your current password for your Ring application and tap Continue. Enter the code that has been sent to your mobile number in order to verify your identity and tap Verify Code. On the next page, you'll get to enter the new email address you would want to change to. In the first text box, enter the new email address that you want to change to and confirm the new email by retyping it again. After you do that, tap on Change Email. Now, you'll be redirected to the main interface for Ring app. Tap on Login again at the bottom. Enter the new email address that you just changed to when it asks to enter your email. After you do that, enter the password on the next field and tap Login at the bottom. As you've changed your email address, you'll be asked to verify your email as well. Once you log in, tap on Send Verification Email option at the bottom and open up your new email inbox in order to verify your email address. Open up the email sent from Ring and tap on Verify Now button in order to verify your email address. Open up with the web browser options and your email has been verified. Now you can get back to the app. How to change phone number on Ring application. If you want to change your phone number on Ring application, then follow the steps. Open up Ring app and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left and from the expanded menu, tap on Account Settings. Tap on the phone number option under Account Information. Now, tap on Add right next to phone number and enter your new phone number you'd like to change to in the text box. Tap on Save and you'll be able to change your phone number. How to force close Ring application on your iPhone. If you want to force close your Ring application, then all you need to do is to simply swipe upwards from the bottom of your screen in order to bring up the app switcher. Swipe the window for the application up towards the top of the screen until the app disappears and you'll be able to force close your Ring application. How to enable notification on Ring application. If you want to enable notifications on your Ring application using mobile device, then the process is quite simple. Open up your Ring application from the app drawer and also make sure that you are logged in. Now, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left and from the expanded menu, tap on Control Center. From the options displayed under Control Center, scroll down and tap on Notifications. If you want to receive notifications or alerts, tap on the Update button right next to Ring Email Preferences. Make sure to check all of these boxes over here, except Unsubscribe from all Ring marketing emails option at the bottom and tap on Save Changes. Now, go to Settings from your mobile device and from the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Scroll down and find Ring app from the list. Give it a tap and make sure that you've enabled the button right next to allow notifications. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to receive notifications or alerts from your Ring application. How to reset password on your Ring application. If you've forgotten your password during logging in to your Ring account, then all you need to do is to tap on the reset password button right under your password box. Enter the email address that is associated with your Ring account and tap on continue. A password reset link will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and open up the inbox received from Ring. You'll be able to see this create password link popping up on your display. Tap on create password and select a web browser from the options and tap it on. On the next page, you'll be able to see that it is asking you to create a password. Type in the password that you'd like to reset, but make sure that you must use at least 8 characters long password, include at least one number and one symbol, also uppercase and lowercase letters. Once you create a password for yourself, head over to the next field and retype in the password again. After creating and retyping a new password, tap on change password button. Soon after you do that, you have successfully reset or changed your password for Ring account. You can now open up your Ring app and tap login. Enter your email address and your password and type in your password that you just reset to in the text box where it says password. After typing in your new password, tap login at the bottom and you'll be able to log into your account as well. How to clear cache on Ring application using iPhone. In order to clear out your cache on Ring application using iPhone, first open up settings. Once you open up your iPhone's settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage from the General option. Now, all the storage that has been taken by the application that you've installed on this mobile device will be shown at the top of the screen. From the list of the apps beneath, search for Ring and tap it on. Now, tap on the Delete App option at the bottom in red and in the pop-up, confirm your action by tapping Delete App. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to clear out your cache data from the Ring application. Now open up your App Store and in the search box, search for Ring. Once you perform your search, re-download the application by tapping the download button right next to the app. Wait until the application gets downloaded and you'll be able to get back to your app again. Once the application is installed, open up the app and you'll end up in the main home page. How to enable 2FA on Ring application. To enable two-factor authentication on Ring app is easy. Open up your Ring application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left. Now, tap on Account Settings option. Right under Account Security, tap on Two-Step Verification. On the next page, select a two-step verification methods you'd like to use for your account. You can choose text message to get verification code sent to your mobile number, or the Authenticator app, which generates verification code with a third-party application. Select any one option. I'm gonna select the text message option. Give a tap to select and tap on continue. Enter your password for your Ring account on the next page and make sure to enter your password correct. After you are done, tap continue. Enter your mobile number that you'd like to use as a two-step verification in the text box. After you are ready, tap continue. Enter your mobile verification code that has been sent to you via text message in the verification code text box. After you are done typing in the code, click verify code. Once you've done that, you've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on Ring application. That way, you can easily secure your home security cameras quickly with a few simple steps. After you enable this option, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number or email address, so no one will be able to hack your password or guess your password. They'll need your phone number or your email account in order to access your Ring account. How to turn on location on Ring application using iPhone. If you want to turn on the location access on your Ring application using iPhone, then first make sure to open up settings on your iPhone or your iPad. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Ring application from the list. Give it a tap once you find it and tap on location at the very top under allow Ring to access. From the options, select any other options except never. If you want the application to ask you next time whenever you want to allow location access, then tap on this option right under Never. If you want to allow access for the app while using the app, select While using app. You can also allow access for the application always by tapping on Always option. Also, make sure that the precise location settings is enabled. You can now go back and open up your Ring application, and now you'll be able to set a location for your Ring app as well. How to delete a location on your Ring application. You can organize your Ring devices by physical location using the locations feature on the Ring application, but if you want to remove a location, then here is how to do it. First, open up your Ring application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your location drop down at the top, select the location you'd want to delete. And once you're inside this particular location you'd want to remove or delete, go and tap on the menu bar at the top left and select the Settings button from the expanded menu. You'll be able to see your location that you've selected popping up inside the Settings tab. Simply tap on Delete Location button at the bottom and confirm that you would want to delete this particular location. Once you decide to delete your location, you won't be able to get access to your location back again. And remember that all of the devices needs to be removed from this particular location or reassigned to another location before you can delete the location. Once you tap on Delete Location, you'll be able to see your location deleted from your Ring app. Remember that you cannot also delete a location if it is subscribed to a Ring Protect Plus account. Once you do this, you'll be able to see that there is no location displayed on my screen. If you want to add to a new location, you can simply tap on the location drop down at the top and tap on Add a Location and set up your location by tapping Continue. How to log out of Ring application on your mobile device. If you want to log out of your Ring application, then the process is quite simple. From the main homepage of a Ring app, tap on the menu bar at the top left. Now, tap on Account Settings from the expanded menu. Scroll all the way down until you see Sign Out option at the bottom. Give it a tap and tap on Log Out in order to log out of your Ring application. You'll be redirected to the main interface of Ring, which looks like this. Now, if you ever want to log in back to your account, you can simply tap on the login button from the main interface and follow the on-screen prompts. How to delete your Ring account. Open up your Ring application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. Go to the top left and tap on the hamburger menu. Now, tap on Account Settings. From the expanded menu, tap on Control Center. From the options, tap on Manage Your Data under Privacy Information. Scroll down, and if you want to download your personal data before you delete your account, tap on Request Data link right next to Download Your Personal Data. Once you are done, head over to the next option and tap on Delete Data Link, which will delete your Ring account and its videos and all of the Ring's subscription. On the next page, before deleting your account, you must verify your identity. Type in your account's password in the text box and make sure to type it in correct. Tap Continue when done. Enter the two-factor authentication code in the text box that you receive via SMS or an authentication app and tap on Verify Code. Now confirm your deletion by tapping on Confirm Deletion button at the bottom. Remember that the action cannot be undone after you reach to the next page, and you'll be able to see that there is a pending labeled right next to Delete Your Personal Data. You've made a request to delete your account, which might take up to 30 days in order to complete. Now you can get back to this page whenever you want in order to check your account deletion status. That is how you'll be able to delete your Ring account with the help of the Ring application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.